At Santa Clara University Law School, more than 120 lawyers come together for the Artificial Intelligence and Robotics National Institute. The American Bar Association warns that AI can bring promise or peril.
The knock on lawyers is that they're not tech savvy, but artificial intelligence is just so new that all of us are coming to grips with it. I feel like I'm learning something new every day.
In May, a legal team entered New York federal court with a brief written by ChatGPT that made up false quotes and citations, which were caught by the judge.
It's happening in other places. So I heard an experience about a young lawyer who used ChatGPT to write a legal document that was being passed around, and it was similarly making mistakes. So this kind of event does happen, and we're just seeing the tip of the iceberg.
Legal experts here are also shining a light on AI tools used for hiring that sometimes produce unintended consequences like bias.
Where it hasn't panned out, that the use of data that is somehow incomplete and is used by algorithms can inadvertently cause a disparate impact. A racial minority, being gender, being disabled, being veteran related. So you have to look at sort of the whole spectrum.
An important goal of the conference is also keeping lawyers abreast of what's happening with AI legislation, and that means learning about whether government and lawmakers are making progress on regulation.
Last year, the White House released a blueprint for an AI Bill of Rights, which serves as a framework for developing policy.
We want government to be involved. We don't want dangerous products or dangerous activity to get into the marketplace or in the environment. On the other hand, government can slow things down, right? You have innovators, engineers, software that can do certain things that maybe we do want them to do before the government restricts.
Some panelists believe actual laws governing AI are not far away.
AI is hot, hot, hot in Congress and in policymaking circles in Washington, D.C. The Congress has had over 36 hearings on AI. Over 30 bills have been introduced, and these are bills that are specifically about AI.
Fechner says she's been told a sure way to get members of Congress to show up is to add AI to the title of a hearing. She expects the White House to release an executive order on AI sometime this fall. Mark New, CGTN, Santa Clara, California.